What is the first thing you do in the morning? Did you know? You can improve your English from the moment you wake up. Today, let's learn 5 simple English sentences for your morning routine. आज आपण सकाळी वापरता येतील अशी सोपी इंग्लिश सेंटेन्सेस शिकणार आहोत. Hi everyone, this is Puja. Welcome back to day 21 of our English journey. Day 21, 0 to fluent English in 30 days. Morning sentence first. I just woke up. I just woke up means मी आत्ताच उठले. Morning sentence 2. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth means मी दात घासत आहे. Morning sentence 3. I am getting ready. I am getting ready means मी तयार होत आहे. Morning sentence 4. I am having breakfast. I am having breakfast means मी नाश्ता करत आहे. Morning sentence 5. I am starting my day. I am starting my day means मी माझा दिवस सुरू करत आहे. Tomorrow morning, try saying these sentences in English. Don't translate, just speak. Imagine your morning. I just woke up. I am brushing my teeth. I am getting ready. I am having breakfast. I am starting my day. That's already a mini English conversation with yourself. Use at least one English sentence tomorrow morning. Small practice every day is big improvement. Comment below good morning in English. Tomorrow we will learn 5 English sentences you can use during meals. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.